Hi guys, we are in Singapore Sports School. This is my eldest son, Ascendus. Okay, now we are touring the school's compound and we are going to the swimming pool side.
Making sure they can do good push-ups correctly, good squats, they can balance, they can change direction, and that's what all the parties that want for them. So feel free to walk around. As I mentioned earlier, we work with the sports science team downstairs. Again, our job is to help enhance performance and
Okay, come. Didi, let's go up to the gym.
Daddy, what?
Wow, big. Oh, look at them, so tall, so fit. Wrong action.
Wrong direction.
Oh, this is a treadmill. Go the other way down. All the treadmills.
So the Learn to Shoot program is actually offered to primary 6 kids to spot talents, to spot potential talents in shootings and hopefully get them to join the school as a shooter. Our shooting range that we are very proud of. So you all can take a look
Tell
at
them to take out the biggest Nerf gun.
any questions you can ask the small boys here. They're all
Machine gun. Do you have machine gun? Huh? Real gun? Really? Real one? No joke. Real gun. Real gun.
you are primary 4, then you wait 1 year.
Primary 4.
Alright, let's proceed to our next station, which is the bowling station at level 1.
Yes, bowling.
So
Let's go
we'll just
bowling.
take the stairs all the way to
Okay.
level 1.
Bowling, yeah.
Yeah, so this is our bowling alley. We have a total of 12 plays and we have 3 different bowling methods. It's for bowlers to simulate the different competition scenarios. So let's go ahead.
Yay!
Oh, okay. I thought there were so many bowlers coming in to bowl, man. Welcome to the Singapore Sports School Bowling Center. We're the only school in Singapore to have our own in-house bowling center. Anybody's a bowler over here? You? No? What's your name? Dylan. How old are you? Primary 6. Alright. Do you bring a bowling ball? Awesome. Come on in, man. You brought your bowling ball, you brought your bowling shoes, you come over here and try out the lanes. Who is the room leader over here? Are you the room leader? Who's the guy that's bringing you all around? All of you. Oh, you! Okay, you can share with them a little bit more. So anyways, over here in the bowling center, we use, in sports school, we believe in technology. Because if you want to be the best, you cannot just be bowling on your own. You got to use different technologies along the way. This mirror over here allows the bowlers to look at themselves bowl. If you tell the bowlers that they're doing something wrongly, they cannot see themselves. But with this, they'll be able to see. So we got this idea from US. Our bowling team traveled all the way to US to learn the technical game and stuff like that. We learn about technology. So the lightsabers in the legs are not torches. So basically, the spot will reflect. If you come and stand behind them, you will see that the top reflects the light on the lane on the oiling pattern. It sounds like, I don't know what I'm talking about, right? But if you stand behind them, you will understand. Yeah, just come in a little bit. Very well. This is such a so basically the line creates a visual for you to go. Create a line. So you follow the line. Then you break point.
Oh, that's fine.
But it's okay.
Academic Rainbow. Look, running.
Welcome to sport.
Select soup. Ooh, look at food. Very efficient. Okay. Look at Thank you. This is interesting.
For the students who are pursuing their sports at a higher level, they actually take IB over a longer period, but they get the same cert. It's not differentiated in any way, it's just that they take a longer time to finish the diploma because they are pursuing their goals, whether it's Commonwealth or other international games. So these are some of the students who are still excelling in their fields and pursuing their academics at the same time. Do you have any questions for us? Sports school. This place that you're here is all about academic focus and the academic provisions that we have in sports school, okay? So generally, because your child is now only in P4, P5, P6, right, I won't dwell into a lot of details. Just to let you know that they come into Sec 1 to Sec 4, we have the same MOE syllabus as any other schools. English, Math, Science. So they come in here, there's no subject called sports. Nothing, but they have basic sports science in addition to English, Maths, Geography, History. Same as any other MOE schools, okay? Now the difference that we have here at the end of Sec 4, we have different pathways. So you will understand pathways, keep that in mind because that's the choice school for you. Sec 4, they can choose to be in the national exam and then take GC, O level or N level, they exit. They go to JC, Polytechnic or ITE, alright? But because we are grooming the student athletes of Singapore, we like them to take on the true train pathways. So because we put in a lot of resources to train them for sports, right? We want them to represent Singapore. We provide the true train pathways. We have 3 types of pathways. One, our collaboration with Singapore Ngee Poly, doing the diploma in business studies. So we have Enhui, where are you? Enhui, come over here. So these are our post-secondary programs, okay? We have 3. So Enhui represents Ngee the Singapore Sports School, diploma in business studies here with Ngee Poly. Then we also have the long-standing one with Republic Poly, diploma in sports and leisure management. So we have Brendan Lee, our first cohort who is in NUS Yale College right now, is a scholar. And also Tian, also represents Singapore in gymnastics, SEA Games, so SEA Games athletes, right? So this is a 2 poly program. Last but not least, our IB program, International Baccalaureate program, that's offered in many independent schools as well. Alright, so just to let you know, these are all available for your child when they come in. The details, if you want to know, you bring your child in and you will start knowing it. We will introduce to you over the time. Okay, but if you're interested, go onto our website, you can read more. Later on in your free tour, without this group here, if you need to come back to know more, the scholars and the students are here to have a chat with you if you want to. Okay? So thank you very much for your time. See you around.
I found a nice one. Morning. Yep. Group 3， 我们是 Group 几？我们 Group 1是吗？
Yeah, so now we have entered our tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Now you all can proceed to the boarding tour, which is much anticipated. Thank you for coming and we enjoy being your host.
Okay.
Enjoy your tour.
Okay, see a new home. Oh, cooling. Special flag.
you can come in to see the rooms.
Okay.
In here. If you all got any questions, you can ask the body pattern.
Is that all? Okay.
Coming. Alright, so this is a 4-bedder room. Standard 2-bedder on each side. You're given a chair and a table for you to study at night. So basically, there's a light as well there. And then, unfortunately, you have to bring your own pillows and bolsters for you for the stuff. And then there's a cupboard for you to hang your clothes as well. Yeah. And then feel free to look around, and if you have any questions, you can ask me.
What else can you bring here?
As in, what do you mean? You can bring your own fans, like an additional fan, but you have to sign in at the boarding office when you join in. Yeah. You may look around and if you have any questions, you can ask. Thank you.
Oh, good question.
Toilet.
Wow, that's the first thing you ask.
Push open. Toilet. Toilet. Push open.
Okay, it's from the government.
Ah. So, Ascenders, how do you feel about the place?
You very
Good.
bad.
Why am I very bad? This place is
You
very
ask
good,
so
isn't
many
it?
questions. You ask so many
But
questions.
I have to ask a lot of questions. Okay. Welcome to Singapore Sports School. This is the Olympic size swimming pool. The students are practicing freestyle, and we can see some doing butterfly stroke.